Pool Payday can stop opening or fail to load properly when your phone has too little free storage for the app and its temporary files. The fix is usually to free up device storage, clear temporary app data where your device allows it, and then restart Pool Payday. By the end, you'll know which storage checks to make on Android and iPhone, what to avoid deleting, and what to try if the error continues after you free space. Start by checking your phone's available storage. On Android, open Settings, then Storage. On iPhone, open Settings, General, then iPhone Storage. Look for the amount of available space rather than the total storage capacity. If your storage is nearly full, remove large videos, downloaded files, unused apps, or other content you no longer need. Do not delete Pool Payday data or uninstall the app first if you are unsure whether your game progress is linked to your account. On Android, you can also check Pool Payday under Settings, Apps, and Pool Payday. Open Storage or Storage and Cache and look for the option to clear the cache. Clearing cache removes temporary files and does not normally remove your account itself. Do not choose Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you understand what it will remove and you know your Pool Payday account or progress is safely connected to a supported login. On iPhone, there is no separate system-wide button for clearing an individual app's cache in the same way Android provides. Instead, check the Pool Payday entry under iPhone storage and review the available app management options. After freeing storage, completely close Pool Payday and reopen it. If the app still shows the storage error, restart the phone before trying again. If Pool Payday continues failing after the storage problem is resolved, check whether another app is also reporting storage problems. A phone that is still critically low on storage can cause multiple apps to behave incorrectly. The next step is to check for an available Pool Payday update in Google Play or the App Store. An outdated app installation can also cause loading problems after an operating system update. So the main fixes are simple. Check available storage, remove unnecessary files, clear Pool Payday's cache on Android when available, and restart the device. Avoid clearing app data or reinstalling until you know your game progress is backed up or connected to your account. Try those steps in that order. If this fixed the Pool Payday storage error, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.